In this video, we will learn about threats to forests. Deforestation and pollution are two major threats to the forests. The forest cover of India and even of the world is reducing at a fast pace due to various human activities. First, deforestation. The large-scale felling of trees is known as deforestation. It is the permanent destruction of forests and woodlands. Cause of deforestation. First, increased demand of fuel wood and wood for paper and timber leads to deforestation. Then, increased demand of lands for industries, houses, roads, railway tracks, and other transport facilities. A large number of trees are cut, and that leads to deforestation. More land for agriculture to provide food for increasing population. Then, increased mining activity. Mining clears the forest to dig excavation pits and access roads, and overgrazing by cattle and sheep as it reduces the ground covering. So this is the deforestation, and this is overgrazing by cattle that leads to deforestation. Then pollution. Pollution of water by various sources like sewage, industrial wastes, etc. changes the quality of water, which damages the roots of trees. High level of suspended particulate matter, that is SPM, in the air affects the functioning of leaves by closing their stomata. Forest fire is also responsible for the destruction of forests on a large scale. So this is forest fire. Now, what are the consequences of deforestation? First, increase in overall temperature of the earth called global warming. Now, we know that plants take carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, and deforestation leads to decrease in the number of trees. So, there will be increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that will lead to global warming. Lesser rain causing desertification. This image shows how the trees evaporate water, and from there how rain comes. Then increase soil erosion, that is loss of humus from soil. In this picture we can see that trees hold the soil tightly with their roots, and in this way they prevent them to be washed away or blown away by rain or wind. So in absence of the trees, the soil erosion will take place. Unbalanced oxygen and carbon dioxide ratio in the atmosphere. We know that plants intake carbon dioxide in photosynthesis, and they release oxygen that is needed for respiration. So there is a balance in these two gases in atmosphere. So in absence of the trees, the imbalance will take place. Danger to wildlife and loss of biodiversity. We know that forest provides shelter to different animals. So deforestation leads to the extinction of wildlife, and hence the biodiversity is in crisis. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.